Hello, today I'm going to do example 2 from section 9-2, part 1. The Smith CPA firm claims that their clients obtain larger tax refunds than clients of their competitor, Jones & Company CPA. To test the claim, 15 clients from the Smith firm are selected and found to have an average tax refund of $943 with a standard deviation of $103. At Jones & Company, 18 clients are surveyed and found to have an average refund of $898 with a standard deviation of $95. Test the claim at the 0.05 level of significance. Assume that both populations are normally distributed and the population variances are not the same. So this part right here is what's telling me I'm going to attempt a 2-sample t-test. Again, it's because it's saying the population variances are not the same. Next, we need to make sure we got random samples. I'm going to assume they were selected randomly. And then we need either both ends have to be bigger than 30 or both have to be normally distributed. So we meet all the requirements for a 2-sample t-test. So the null and alternative hypotheses, well, the claim was larger tax refunds. So that means the mu of the Smith firm is larger than the mu of the Jones & Company. So I'll use mu s and mu j for that. And that's our claim. So then our null is mu s is equal to mu j. Next, draw a picture. Since it's a t-test, it's going to be a t-distribution. And since the alternative is greater than, it's going to be a right-tailed test with the area equal to alpha, or the level of significance, which is 0.05. Next, we need to put the statistics into the calculator to find the test statistic. So we're going to need x bar s, SS, NS, X bar J, SJ, and NJ. So the sample mean for Smith was 943 with a standard deviation of 103, and that was based off 15 clients. For Jones & Company, the average was 898 with a standard deviation of 95, and that is based off 18 clients. So now I go to my calculator, go to test, go to T, 2-sample, change the alternative to greater than, x bar 1, 943, S1, 103, N1, 15. Oh. I typed the wrong thing in, so N1 was 15. Okay, X bar 2, 898, S2, 95, and N2, 18. And again, make sure that pooled is off or false. So we get a test statistic, or T star, that's equal to 1.29. And again, for the critical value method, I need the degrees of freedom, which is 28.9. Now to get the critical value, we're going to use inverse T. And we need the area to the right for the Casio or the area to the left for the TI calculators. Well, the area to the right is 0.05, and the degrees of freedom is 28.9. So let's go back to distribution. T, inverse T, has the degrees of freedom in there for me, but I do have to change my area to 0.05. And it's working, and then we get 1.610, which is 1.70. So this is 1.70 with our test statistic being over here somewhere. We fail to reject the null. So since T star is not in the rejection region, we fail to reject the null hypothesis. So thus, there is not sufficient evidence to support the claim that clients of Smith CPA receive a larger tax refund than clients of Jones and Company CPA. And that is it for example 2.